In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the archive in monday.com. For those who might not be familiar, monday.com is a comprehensive work operating system that powers your team to run projects and workflows with confidence. Whether you're tracking projects, managing workflows, or building a new app, monday.com is there to streamline work processes. So let's dive into how you can easily access your archives. Archiving is an excellent way to keep your workspace clean and organized. It's like putting away old files into a cabinet when you no longer need them, but might in the future. The best part? You can retrieve them effortlessly whenever necessary. First things first, go to the monday.com homepage. If you're working on a project, it's likely you'll start from here anyway. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to locate your profile icon. This is usually found at the top right corner of your screen, and it represents your account settings and personal preferences. Next, give your profile icon a click. This action will open up a menu with several options that allows you to adjust various settings related to your account and activity. It's worth taking a moment to familiarize yourself with these options if you're new to monday.com, as this menu is like your administrative control center on the platform. Now, from this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Archive. It's not hidden in a labyrinth of settings, just conveniently right here within reach. When you click on this option, it will take you to a dedicated section where all the items you've archived reside. These might be projects that have been completed, tasks that are no longer active, or any other kind of information you've decided to put on hold but want to keep handy just in case you need it again. And there you have it. You're now within your archive. From here, you can browse through everything you've previously archived. If you decide that some files need to be unarchived and brought back into active use, you can easily do so. Just remember that archived items are not deleted. They're simply removed from the busy main view to relieve visual clutter. This approach helps teams maintain focus on current tasks while ensuring nothing is permanently lost. That wraps up our guide today on accessing archives in monday.com. It's a simple process, but one that's incredibly useful for maintaining a tidy and efficient workspace. Keeping your projects organized and easy to navigate can save a lot of time and hassle in the long run. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on getting the most out of monday.com and other productivity tools. See you in the next video.